that India's economy is in a recession.
पहली बार जीडीपी खुद घट रहा है।
The government has no plans to revive the economy. The Congress party has attacked the central government over the RBI report, claiming the country has entered into a recession for the first time in history. Congress said that PM Modi-led government is indulging in headline management and has no plans to revive the economy. RBI in its report said that India's gross domestic product is likely to contract by 8.6% for the July-September period, which means India will enter into a recession for the first time in history in the first half of 2020-21. Senior Congress leader and former finance minister in the United Progressive Alliance government, P. Chidambaram, attacked the government and said, "Let's not celebrate minus 8.6%. It is a matter of deep regret that the economy is in recession and the government is trying to manipulate and manage their headlines."
Let's not celebrate the minus 8.6%. It is a matter of deep regret that the economy has gone into a recession and the government is trying to manipulate and manage their headlines in order to counter this very stark and hard fact that India's economy is in a recession.
A day after RBI released its report stating the historic recession, Narendra Modi government announced a slew of stimulus measures to boost the Indian economy. Congress, however, termed the stimulus as another move to deflect the attention of the people. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said that the government is only indulging in headlines management to bury the fact that there is recession in the economy.
रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक पहली बार अगर आप तिमाही आंकड़े के अनुसार अर्थव्यवस्था का मापदंड लेते हैं तो पहली बार जीडीपी वृद्धि दर घट नहीं रहा है, पहली बार जीडीपी खुद घट रहा है।
Earlier, Rahul Gandhi also attacked the PM, saying, "Modi's actions have turned India's strength into its weakness." Many experts feel that the damage to the country's economy was caused by the coronavirus lockdown imposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.